Today's learning is Cooking Verbs Vocabulary. Boil. The water is boiling. Knead. Knead the dough lightly on a flour surface. Roll. Roll the chapati little thin. Spread. Spread the butter on the bread. Stir. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Roast. Roast the chapati on the stove. Steam. Steam the leafy vegetables for 5 minutes. Whip. A bowl-shaped utensil with a round bottom is the best to use for whipping cream. Sprinkle. A sprinkle of toppings on a donut make it delicious. Mash. Mash the potatoes until they are smooth. Chop. Chop the cucumber to make salad. Dice. To dice tomatoes, prefer to use chef's knife. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon on the veggies in the bowl. Slice. Slice the banana in the round shape. Pour. Pour water into a glass. Melt. Ice cubes are melting. Grate. Grate the carrot. Dress. Mix together the olive oil, vinegar and spices to dress the salad leaves. Bake. I bake chocolate chips cookies in the oven. Peel. Make cuts on the side of an orange to peel. Sift. Sift the flour and baking powder into a mixing bowl. Strain. Strain the tea through a tea strainer before drinking. Carve. We can carve the vegetables with a knife. Deep fry. Deep fry the potato strips to make French fries. Stir fry. Stir fry the vegetables for a few minutes to keep it crunchy. Add. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to the salad. See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.